Okay, and so with this example, no more top hana, by me starting my business in 2026, by the end of 2026, no make kwame, I want to make 1 million Ghana cedis. Hello guys, Kwame Chumisin here. In this video, I'm present how I set up my profit goals for my business. And most people want to venture into the mini importation business, but one mistake people do is that as some mobile venture around, they don't have a clear goal in regards to how much profit they want to make during a certain time. Most people, I know, say more and more, most people want to start in 2026. So let's say if you want to go buy a product from China and come and sell in Ghana, no, by the end of 2026, by December 2026, no, now profits are hit now you want your business to generate for you. If you set this goal very clearly now, trust me, during the whole year, no, you make sure say you work hard towards that goal so you can at least achieve that goal or get closer to your goal. So how do you do it? With me, Kwame Chumesi, I use a very simple math. Aha, inti eno na meneme babe chiremo. A disclaimer: this is not like a business advice and as a financial advice. Okay, in case you want that now, please go and seek someone that is in that discipline. Anything I'm going to show you or share with you in this video, no, is from my own personal experience and also what I basically implement in my business. Without talking too much, I'll get into the PC now and show you guys how you can simply calculate your profit goal for your mini importation business, or you can basically apply this to any business you want to venture into. As you are watching this video, say what clicking a video where you are share the same reno. Guess what is happening? Over 1,000 babies are being born in Ghana today. Ushe video is Siano. Over 1,000 babies are being born. Where a country meter.info/en/Ghana. Obahana birth today. Ghana population clock where live. Into date no na 7th of December 2025. As you are watching this video now, no, 1,778 birth today. A month for our enquire today, no, 1,778. And see, if you are thinking of mini importation now, guess the sort of product you'll be able to sell. This sort of new mothers, how being here carry bags for their baby. Ombe here adi ombe tum baby I deng atum. Ombe here baby clothing. Ombe here pram. Ombe here wipers. Ombe here diapers. These are products you'll be able to sell to these new babies, these new mothers. As you are watching this video today, again, Obi blender say gidi 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 gidi. The blender is saying, guess what? Or per blender for Friday as I told. And to this sort of person, ɔno nso bɛhwehwɛ sɛ wobɛtɔn ebi a gold crest blender ayɛ dɛn ama no na watumi solve this problem for this person. As you are watching this video today, guess what is also happening? Ama ɛɛkɔ party gidi 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 gidi, but ama bɛhia ntadeɛ bag ne shoe na ɔde akɔ party no ɛhemfa no bɛnya nneɛma yi bi atɔ ɔbɛba wo hɔ aba abɛtɔ this sort of product ɛyi bi. As you are watching this video today, guess what? Kojo Menu wa wo fufu ama ne nsɛm nyinaa paapae. Kojo Menu is sick and tired of pounding fufu. And so what will Kojo Menu do? Kojo Menu will need fufu machine to be able to solve this problem. And so Kojo Menu ebe search say open fufu machine I then ato not they are solving this problem. As you are watching this video today, you nana ama ewa nana ama a Gen Z baby. Omu twitwa jene kakra na jene no I then ako omeni. And so they want to solve this issue. How can they solve this issue? They need JNA cutting tool and a vegetable cutting tool to be able to solve this problem for the number. It's the number here, this sort of product are Obeba wo as a mini importer ho about this product. And the product that solves a problem, this should be your number one aim. Say o have a profit target or calculate a profit target for ABR. So we'll start to business in 2026, by the end of 2026, if you want to see profit, the sort of product you want to sell to someone, that product needs to solve a major problem. This is your number one thing that you need to do before you even sit down to calculate the sort of profits you want to make by the end of 1 year of you establishing your mini importation business. Now, how do we calculate this? Okay, we are simple math. And see, if I Kwame Chumisi, percent me offer product be beton, then percent me setting my goal and target. This is the formula I normally use. Into profit margin, because the profit margin me offer product na ton into me offer product no ma shape na me diaba na me nsaka product no. Yeah, me tete all my expenses from me turn product now, me profit no, that is the number we'll be calculating today. Into your profit margin times the number of customer equals to your goal or target. Into most times, once I have established my profit margin, meaning say me fa be a phone way beton into this phone no, se matete me king na me turn back na be a minya 10 cedis with the sort of target, I need to make sure say afi muning the whole of the year, I work towards getting a certain number of customers so I can meet my target. Let's look at a practical example. Okay, and with this example, no musha top hana by me starting my business in 2026. By the end of 2026, no make I want to make 1 million Ghana cedis. And so with this 1 million Ghana cedis, this is my target and your goal. This is the goal you want to achieve. A very good set you set up a goal. If you don't set up a goal now, say business you have nothing you are working towards, and you be a bit relaxed. But when you set a goal, it will help you work towards that goal. The goal maninya reality. Menkasako set a big number be while sure you'll not be able to achieve that number. And to let your goal be a reality. And to yemfa the says me kwakofa bag way be about beton. Where for example only, okay? And to make kwakofa this sort of bags here about beton. Mafa bagi na maton na matiti mi kenyinano. If I'm to get a beer, one bag beer, minya 5 Ghana. This is again just an example. Minya 5 Ghana profits. As profits are eba memo matching me expenses biana after the expense minya 5 Ghana. To get my target of 1 million Ghana cedis, I need 200,000 customers. How did I do this maths? Very easy. Into the 5 times the 200,000 will give you 1 million. And now this 1 million, you divide by 5, now about 200,000. Into the whole year, if my profit margin per product is 5 Ghana cedis, I have to make sure say I sell to 200,000 people so I can meet my target of 1 million. Let me bring up my calculator. And so this is my calculator. My target is what? 1 million Ghana cedis. Okay, my profit na mean a 5 Ghana cedis. Into 1 million divided by 5. That's 200,000. And you have to make sure say I go look for 200,000 people to sell my products to. This 200,000 customers, is a lot. A lot. Sometimes, you get in 200,000 customers in a whole year. Yes, it's achievable, but it's a lot. And see, if I still want to target this now, what can I do? Now look at this maths here. This 200,000, let's remove 1 0. And see, baha. Now, we 1 0 from here now. So see, 200,000, I bet 20,000. And see, if I'm to target only 20,000 customers, now still I want to meet my 1 million Ghana cedis by the end of the year now. Profit should I get per item? When I come back to the calculator, okay. Now we're looking at 1 million Ghana cedis. That's my target. Divided by my customers, I just want to target 20,000 customers. That means every product I need to get at least 50 Ghana cedis as profit. Mon said it here, at least 50 Ghana. And now, your profit margin here should be 50 Ghana. Mon. And if this bag is not going to give me 50 Ghana cedis per item, then maybe I should look at selling a different product so I can meet my target. Yes, some bags can give you up to 50 Ghana cedis. And our bag and say, oh, turn back, ABI this time around, no, turn wholesale. Into wholesale, no, to every ABI, wabuba, no, per ABI, bill, be 50 Ghana. Then you need just 20,000 customers to reach your goal of 1 million Ghana cedis. Again, this 1 million is a lot, but I'm just using it as example in this, in this video. If this bag is not going to get you, there are a lot of products you'll be able to sell per each product item. No, you'll be able to get at least 50 Ghana cedis as your profit. This electronic items, you'll be able to get your 50 Ghana cedis as profit. Now, Rebecca said 20,000 is still too big. How am I going to get 20,000 customers in a year? Okay, now let's remove again 1 0 from the 20,000. And to see, we need to target 2,000 customers. And see, if we need to target 2,000 customers, and so your aim is to get 1 million Ghana cedis, we come back to the calculator. Again, 1 million Ghana cedis divided by 2,000 customers equals 500 Ghana. And see, again, I have to go look for a product. I'll be able to get a profit margin of 500 Ghana per product, per item sold. And see, if I can get a product, Mitomba could be 500 Ghana in Faswa. Yeah, then I need 2,000 customers to get my target of 1 million Ghana cedis. What sort of product can you sell and gain 500 Ghana cedis as profit? You can sell phones. Most phones, when you sell at least you get your 500 Ghana cedis. You can sell maybe TVs. Most TVs, of course, you get your 500 Ghana cedis as profits per items. There are a lot of products. You can sell these furnitures. And our fridges and the rest, you get more than even 500 Ghana cedis as your profit. This doesn't also apply to just products, services too. You can also provide a service of charging every client 500 Ghana cedis, and all you need is 2,000 customers to reach your goal of 1 million Ghana cedis. Let's say this 2,000 is too much, okay? And see, if still 2,000 is too much, and still your aim is to get 1 million Ghana cedis by the end of 2026. Again, we remove 1 0, which means we need 200 customers. So if we need 200 customers, then that 0 will also jump here. Into meaning the profit per product Oberton needs to be at least 5,000 Ghana cedis. So if I want to get 1 million, I need 5,000 Ghana cedis profit per product, and all I need is 200 customers. Mom say you're free 200,000 to 200. And basically zeros, we are moving it from here and they can't profit now. What sort of product can you sell and get 5,000 Ghana cedis per each product? A lot. You can get into cars. Yeah, electronics, wait to me, machinery. Most of these machineries are like the farmers use, like the factories use, you'll be able to sell, trust me, you get 5,000 Ghana cedis per product. And all you need is 200 customers. And I who say, the more your profit margin cost, you don't have to market too much. If you get at least 200 customers, you still meet your goal. Again, 200 is too big. Okay. And finally said we take 1 0 from here. Not yet the account 0 by wahano. Yeah, which is 50,000. And see again, if I only want to target 50,000, every product we have 50,000 Ghana cedis. The whole year, how many customers do I need? 20. This is how most of the millionaires in Ghana they market their products into a far high-end product, but on chichen or marketing because or tomba or get closer to the aim that the person wants to achieve. And just say me turn product 50,000. All I need is 20 customers. Let's do the math. Said you be so into 50,000 times 20 equals 1 million Ghana cedis. What sort of products can you sell and get 50,000 Ghana cedis? Cars, high end cars, you'll be able to get. Again, machineries, high end machineries, you'll be able to get. And all you need is what? 20. Again, if you only need two customers, 1 0 will have to move here and go here. And when you get to like just two customers there, then you are moving into ABR real estate, you selling houses and the rest. Uh-huh. Into Mo said it here. Into a very, very easy to meet your target. Menka say everyone's target should be 1 million. ABR would then ABR 10,000 Ghana at the end of the year. Would then ABR 100,000 Ghana, ABR 50,000 Ghana, ABR 200,000 Ghana. It's achievable. You'll be able to do it. Make sure, say, before you get started with your mini importation business, what set your goal. ABR say I finish now this business I may start by making 100,000 Ghana cedis and put this into this calculation. When you better know, you'll be able to meet your target. Getting 20,000 customers, getting 20 customers, getting 100,000 customers, getting 5,000 customers, 2,000 customers is doable in today's age. TikTok will help you do that. You can just boost. You have your product, you do a good marketing video, you just boost it. Facebook, Instagram, all you have to do is to just use the power of social media. You boost it, your product to a lot of people, and trust me, people will patronize if you give them a lot of good service. And as I mean, Tom product bia bako product bia meton bia minya a bia 50,000 and now 5,000 only 20,000, only 20 customers. These are customers, even if something goes wrong now, I'll be able to help because they are only 20. But offer product profit margin here very, very less. You find say you offer product you 5 Ghana cedis per profit. Now you're serving 200,000 customers. These are 200,000 customers. They'll be coming with a lot of headache. Some will not be happy. Some will go on social media and try to collapse your business and the rest. Also put this in place and trust me, you'll be able to meet your goal. And in a nutshell, if you are thinking of starting a business and a mini importation business in Ghana 2026 now, sit down, look for the sort of product that will solve a problem. That is number one. Afe your analysis, offer product way, a beton, a Ghana, on fast soya. Now, if you look at the number of customers you need to meet your goal. Once you have this in place now, trust me, you work hard towards it, and we'll share video in 2026, and then you come back and you'll be smiling because say and then my boy Juma. My name is Kwame. In case again you are looking for a freight forwarding company, Upeso starting with importation now here, a trusted agent or betumi abawa. Fofoofo Imports is here. And see WhatsApp this number 054-026-6838. Yeah, China to Ghana shipping. And when we start, God willing, 2026 now, we'll add others to it. We used to do others, but a lot of problems, so we just stick in with China to Ghana. With China to Ghana, we do both air and sea shipping. Okay, in case you also want to buy R&B, you want to mean taught the product yourself, you want us to do everything for you, and you also want mini importation training, you can also contact this WhatsApp number here, buysellclub.org. Now wow, and that's all, guys. We have a lot of vital videos coming your way in 2026. And don't subscribe here, so there are a lot of business video about my name is Kwame. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's a bye for now.